In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add or transfer a domain to your website on Squarespace. So for that, you want to sign into your account and then go to websites, okay? And then next up, click on edit site. Now this will send you over to the edit page where you can actually customize your site, but this is also where you can add a domain or transfer a domain. So for that, you want to click on settings right there. And once you do that, you should be able to find domains. Click on domains. And then right there, this comes down to what you need to do, okay? So you have this built-in domain, which looks like this. But if you want to add a real good domain, you can use one that you already own, or you can buy a new one. So if you want to transfer a domain, all you need to do is click on use a domain I own right there. You then type in that domain. If you don't have a domain yet and you want to buy one, you need to click on get a domain. Now if you do that, you can type here to search. Let's say that I need this one, howtodigitalcopy.co.uk. You then click on add right here, and I don't like, if I see, like I now see these prices, I don't recommend choosing these, because if you just go to a hosting company, this is going to be way cheaper, okay? So don't buy from here. So I would kind of recommend not doing this, but going to a hosting platform and buying a domain from there, and then clicking on use a domain I own, and then typing in your domain right there, and you can then set it up. So that's where you can actually add a domain to your website on Squarespace.